Good morning, everyone. We are going to do a little bit of skincare today. As many of you know, I am a fan of the brand Biologique Recherche, and today we are going to be masking with Masque Pigm 400. This is new to me, and my dear friend Bisma had put on her amazing Instagram account. She is the Daily Skin Informative, and she had given a whole protocol of how to bring your glow on, because I'm a fan of the whole Pigma line. So she had told me this is a must-have, and I thought we would follow along the treatment. So she said her favorite glow treatment, and I'll put everything below, you guys, but she said we're gonna go through the steps to get a glow on today. So my skin's kind of right now, so we are gonna give it a little bit of love, and I'm gonna put on my little headband. Okay, first of all, first step that it says is self-massage with your favorite lei. And they have LAITU, they have LAITU, and LAITU. So I used to always get the LAITU, but I'll be honest, I did not like the new formulation of it. It sort of made my face feel dry. So I am actually going to be using LAITU. And this morning, I also love LAITU. So LAITU is going to be like the most hydrating. LAITU is sort of for every kind of skincare type, and it just has a really nice kind of thicker consistency. So we are going to start with my favorite step of the day. I just love milky cleansers. This was a game changer, kind of switching from any kind of foam kind of cleansers to a milk cleanser that's just super gentle. Now my skin, anytime I kind of play around, is going to kind of rev up with a little bit of redness, but we are going to just take a minute, massage this all around the skin. And I'm going to bring it all the way down to the décolleté. I'm going to go rinse this off really quickly, and then we'll do the next step. Next step is using your lotion P50. This is the Pigm 400, and this one is for hyperpigmentation. So I use this in the AM, and then I usually use my P50V in the evening. So I'm going to use this guy, putting it just on a cotton round. You can also use gauze, and then I'm going to dab, dab, dab all the way up. Favorite part of the day is using my P50. Okay, skin is feeling nice and cleansed. Now we have done the liquid exfoliant, and then it says next step is to use your serums. So the two that I am currently using are colostrum. This is for hydration, and then elastin, and again that's going to help build collagen, kind of a great anti-ager all around. So I just take a few drops of this, and we're going to push this into the skin. Then using colostrum, and you can also just put these together as a cocktail together, and then put them in. And again, I just kind of press these all over my skin, kind of even bringing it up underneath my eyes. Okay, now we are ready to put on the Masque Pigm 400, and Bisma did tell me that this is a steep price for these masks, but that there's so much juice in the packet that you can reuse them. So use them more than once. So I'm going to carefully take this guy out. Yes, it is loaded with goodness in the mask. And we'll pull this guy out. I don't want to lose any of this amazing serum here. We're unfolding this guy. There we go. Here we go. Just like this, we are going to put, you guys, there's a lot of goodness on here, okay? She is right. There is so much serum just all over, so just take it out carefully. And then I'm going to unpeel the outer layer here. I'm going to just kind of coat my face all in here, you guys. I'm actually going to use the extra kind of on the back of my hands. Now, we are going to let this sit on my face for 30 minutes. She said to chill out. I'm going to go get some warm lemon water, and we are just going to give ourselves a little bit of time to relax, reflect, and I will be back in 30 minutes. Okay, we're gonna peel this guy off. I did have to laugh because this mask really scared my hubby. So we're getting back at him for being loud when I'm trying to film. Ooh, okay, so it feels so good. And I'm just gonna take this. She was actually saying that I could use this again because there's still plenty of goodness in the pouch. So I'm gonna put these guys back together. I'll do that off camera, but just was telling me that there's so much, goodness in each pouch that it will last more than once. So I am going to just rub this in. Her next step is saying to rub this into your skin. And let me just tell you, so it's a little teeny tacky at the moment, very hydrating, and I definitely feel like I've got a glow on. We were laughing. Anything that says the word glow, Bisma and I have a joke that pretty much if she says that anything's going to give me a glow, I'm all for it. So we are just going to kind of let this pat in the hand, pat into my face. You guys, it's very cooling as well, so I kind of feel like this is going to feel really good during the hot summer months. And oof, okay. Next step for this glowy hydrated look is one of my favorite products that I have talked about many a time on my channel, and this is CREME Pigma 400. Now this is a treatment cream. It doesn't have necessarily like totally hydration, so this is something that you mix into your other cream, and it is again going to help combat hyperpigmentation. This does give you the most glorious glow all over your face. So many of you guys are so sweet about my skin, but I have to say I think it's because I'm wearing the Pigma cream because it's got a little bit of mica in it. It gives me just an inner glow. Today I'm going to be mixing it with CREME BIPO2. You can use any of your moisturizers, but basically something that's going to be hydrating. I am using up a couple different creams from Biologique. So I'm going to take this and then I am going to mix my CREME Pigma. I'm so sad, almost done with this guy. It just makes such a beautiful concoction, and I'm going to mix these two together, and then we are going to put this on just like that. Probably used a little bit more cream than I needed to with that. And then the last step that Bisma says is sit and gleam like the disco ball you are. So you guys, I definitely feel like my skin is a little glow on it. I will keep you posted. This is the first time I have been using that mask, but I just love that whole routine. I definitely wanted to try it, and I am a huge fan of the whole CREME Pigma 400 line. Now, I have not tried the serum. I think I might get asked questions about that. That may be my next purchase. Okay, guys, I hope this was helpful. I thought it would be kind of fun to go through this whole protocol with you. And I'm going to go put on my SPF, get my face ready for the day. But I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day and a great weekend.